Welcome to Leon's Kitchen. I'm Leon, your host. Today we're doing fried turkey at home. So this is some of the things you need to know about fried turkey. Most of the time you do it outside in a gas burner, but you can also do it in your home. All you need is a big heavy duty stock pot. And what I've done is it's a 12-pound turkey. I've unthawed it for 24 hours. I washed it, patted it dry, taken out the inside, and I've cut it into quarters. I've seasoned it and let it wrap it back up, let it stay in the refrigerator for another 2 days. Then I've taken it out this morning and let it sit out and become room temperature. I actually add some more seasoning to it, and it is ready to go. Now, as far as the cooking is concerned, the oil that I use is canola oil. What you need to know is you need an oil that has a high cooking point, at least 500 degrees. You cannot use a vegetable oil, it burns at 350 degrees. So a lot of people might use peanut oil, cottonseed oil, all those will work. Whatever it is, it just has the cooking point of 500 degrees or higher. So it won't burn and it won't transfer flavors. Okay, we are ready to go. I have my stock pot here. It is at 350 degrees. And if it was a whole turkey cooking at temperature, it takes about 35 minutes, 35 to 40 minutes. What I've done since I'm cooking at home is I've cut the turkey up in quarters. So I got the dark meat and the light meat separated. It actually takes longer for the dark meat to cook, and so I'm putting it in there. The dark meat first will normally take about 12 minutes to 15 minutes to cook. So we're going to start with the dark meat. Let me show you what I'm doing. So my oil is at temperatures at 350 degrees. When you're doing this at home, if you elect to do this method, put it on your biggest burner. That's your most powerful burner. Put it on high. Start it low, but it will maintain the temperature at a high degrees or high. So this is all I'm doing. I'm starting with the leg and thigh. Put it in there slowly. And it's boiling, but it's not boiling over. And just let that cook. And I'm setting my timer for 15 minutes. Now we'll finish our deep fried turkey. Now for the dark meat, it takes a little bit longer. I've actually cut this up, like I said, in quarters. And then I changed my mind and cut it up in pieces. It's still cooking time. So the dark meat actually took 10 to 12 minutes to cook. And the white meat took actually 8 minutes to cook. So this is what it looks like. So let me cut a piece and show you. Now, one thing I failed to mention is invest in a cooking thermometer. The inside should be reads at 160 degrees. You know it's done. Also with poultry, if you're frying poultry, it's actually going to float when it's ready. So just don't overcook it. You can take it out and test it, and if it's not done, you can add it back in. But this is what it looks like on the inside. Nice and moist and juicy. And this is the breast. So you can cut this up as normal and serve it. What I have today is rice and some mixed vegetables. And this is absolutely delicious. Thank you very much for joining me at Leon's Kitchen. For this and more cooking ideas, you can contact me at leonbpowell@yahoo.com for any comments or cooking advice. The consultation fee starts at $25. I see you when I see you. Thank you for joining me.